Open the tailgate and fold down the ramp, then park the wheelchair in front of the ramp. Apply the brakes or switch off the wheelchair. Activate the retraction system by pressing the lower button. Hold both buttons down for 4 seconds to release the front ratchets. Within 30 seconds, attach the front hooks to the wheelchair frame. Note: lock the ratchets again. Repeat step 2. Only attach the hooks to the frame, not to the wheels or moving parts. Release the brakes. Press the Z button and carefully push the thumb control forward until the wheelchair is on the ramp. Move the control slightly to the left or right to align the wheelchair. Position the wheelchair in the safety zone. Leave a gap of approximately 10 to 15 centimeters between the rear wheels and the edge of the ramp. Release the Z button and place the joystick in the wall mount. Attach the rear retractors to the floor and the hooks to the wheelchair frame. The straps should be at an angle of approximately 45 degrees to the floor. Press the lock button for 3 seconds. Secure the retractors. Finally, apply the brakes. Release the brakes and leave the wheelchair switched off. Activate the retraction system by pressing the lower button. Press the red lever on the rear adjusters and remove the rear belt hooks. Hold down the Z button on the joystick and press the thumb control down to carefully drive the wheelchair off the ramp. Move the control slightly to the left or right to align the wheelchair. Stop after the ramp, release the Z button, and place the joystick in the wall bracket. Apply the brakes, lock them, and leave the wheelchair switched off. Hold both buttons down for 4 seconds. Release the retractors and allow the belts to retract completely. Finally, release the brakes or switch on the wheelchair and park the wheelchair in a safe area.